Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a really basic paper rocket only using two pieces of paper, some tape, and a pair of scissors. Okay, so we won't need any fancy launching mechanism or anything. We're going to make that right now. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of these papers, scratch pieces of paper, and just roll them lengthwise like this. And roll this one pretty tight. And then just tape that off so it stays in a tube. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this paper and you're going to cut it at an angle like this, not all the way, but just little bits like this. These are going to become the actual fins of your rocket. Okay. And then you're going to take this and roll it to that same size that you just made. Okay, and look how the fins come out as you make the cuts. Okay, so you may need to do it a couple times to get those exact lengths the way you want. Once you have that down, go ahead and tape it off. Again, you don't want it too tight, especially not on the tube that you just made. And then you're gonna take this end, okay, and you're just gonna crumple that in a little bit like this. If you want your rocket to go really far, maybe you can put a penny right there. Just don't make sure you don't launch it at anyone if you do that. Okay. And then you got plenty of tape here on the top because you want to make an air seal where no air can escape. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Tape that off really good. And now you have your paper rocket. Okay. And then you're going to put that back on this end. And now that is your launcher. Okay. So what you're going to do for this lab is you're going to do two shots, okay, or two launches. One straight up into the air to see how high it can go. Make sure to have someone time that. And then another one launching to see how far you can get it to go. Make sure you time that and measure how far away it goes. Okay, so make sure you do both of those for your lab, and there you have your world's simplest paper rocket.